Hi guys, today I'm going to give a lot of tips and tricks for grammar in reading. Make sure you save this video. The first rule in grammar is if there is any blank after a helping verb like is, was, are, were and am, and if it's a verb, it would either be a verb in V3 form, means ending in ed, en or t, or it could be a continuous verb ending in ing. Rule number 2, if there is a blank after to, and if it's a verb, 90% chance it's going to be a verb in the first form, which we call V1, means to eat, to sleep, means the verb cannot end with ed, cannot end with ing, cannot end with es. Rule number 3, if you have a blank after words like has, have, had, generally it's a verb in the third form V3. And if you have a blank after has been, have been, had been, generally it will be a verb in the continuous form, or it could also be sometimes V3. Rule number 5, if there is a blank at the beginning of the sentence and the blank is immediately followed by a comma, mostly it's going to be a connector. A connector is a conjunctive adverb like moreover, furthermore, however. Such words are called connectors and they are always followed by a comma. Other examples are hence, thus, therefore. Such words are also followed by a comma. Rule number 6. If the first word is a blank but there is no comma after the blank, there is a very high chance it's a word like despite, although, because, since, in spite of, regardless. So such words can come as the first word of a sentence if there is no comma after the blank. There are other rules as well. For example, if there is a blank between an article and a noun, an article means a and the, and a noun means name, place, person, thing. Generally, it will be an adjective. For example, a dash book. So you need a word to describe the book. Book is a noun. Something which describes a noun as an adjective. So it could be a wonderful book, for example, or an avid reader. So the word avid describes the word reader. The next rule, rule number 8 or 9 is, if the blank is next to a verb means an action. Mostly it will be an adverb, and adverbs generally end with ly. So even the word generally, that's an adverb. Usually, sincerely. For example, he ran quickly. So the word run is, or ran in the past tense, is the verb. How did he run? Quickly, ending with ly. So that's an adverb. There are many other grammar rules as well, and I've tried to cover the more important ones. But obviously, depending on the context, we can apply different rules accordingly. If you like the video, make sure you like and comment. If you're looking for PTE, IELTS or NAATI CCL training, you can contact us. Our contact details will be in the first comment. We do provide coaching in multiple languages for NAATI like Hindi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Malayalam, Telugu, Sinhalese and Nepalese as well. For PT, we have an absolutely free PT portal with unlimited AI scoring. It's called mockmaster.ai. And now you can also practice IELTS on our portal mockmaster.ai. So good luck. I'm Malcolm. Thank you.